I'd like to introduce you guys to the state-of-the-art compression tool for sea crimping. It's called the YQK compression crimper, hydraulic, state-of-the-art technology. Oops. Really easy to use. You put these dies in here like that. Yeah. Make sure you're on. Usually it's not as difficult, it's usually really easy. Oh shit, I bent it a little bit. Hopefully this goes in. This is an item made in China that is actually it's actually really handy. You need to use this on grounding transformers to your main ground. You need to see crimping. It's an actual rule in the Canadian electrical code book. Fuck. Oh, I didn't center it perfectly. It's okay. I'll just listen to this. Okay. What's going on here? Closed. Okay, there we go. Sometimes you gotta go, you don't get it perfectly center sometimes. Just gotta hit both sides, loosen it off again, wiggle it over about 1/4 of an inch. And here we go. Yeah, really easy to use too. I know I had these dies in place already, but they were actually really easy to get in place and set up. There we go. Yeah, we're coming. Yeah, that's it.